How to replace your Rebose silicone loop. Please, remember to keep the cap closed using your fingers during the entire process. Push the silver bar using a very thin screwdriver, like the one used in the video. Alternatively, the tool to remove the SIM card from your phone will also do the job. Push the bar through, paying attention not to remove it completely. Remember to hold the cap together with your hands. When you see that the old lace is unlocked, remove it and insert the new one. To finalize, please push the silver bar back in place. If it hurts, you can do it with the support of a coin to push it through. Check in your country how you can recycle the broken silicone loop in the best way. We will soon have programs in place to take it back and recycle it ourselves. Great job! Let's continue to clean the planet together.